Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2 Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can use your Google Drive and also share your files within your Google Drive. Google Drive is a very useful application that can be used as a storage and a backup app. Google Drive helps you store all of your data like your files, videos, photos, your documents as well. To store all of those documents, first of all, you do have to upload it into your Google Drive or sync it into your laptop or a PC. Now, the easy process would be to upload the files in your Google Drive. To upload the Google Drive's files, all you have to do is go onto the new option on the top side of the screen on the left hand side. Click on the new option with the plus icon and you'll be able to see these options appear. From here, simply select any kind of file upload or folder upload that you want to do with your files. If it is a singular file, click on file upload, otherwise click on folder upload to upload whole folder at once. After that, just select the file that you want that will be appearing on a file explorer on your screen and click on open, and you can see a upload process will start. And now, in order to share the files, all you have to do is hover your mouse over the file that you want to share and simply right click on it. If you do so, you can see all of these options appear. From here, simply go to the share option, and again you can either copy link and you can send the link to someone that you want to send, or you can directly share it with their email. Now all you have to do is simply input the email right here, and after that you'll be able to send your file to all of them. And that is how you can use Google Drive and share your files on your Google Drive. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.